I'm Helen Mitchell from Media Support Services. It's our mission to provide our clients with the most powerful visual films using the power of the drone. This enables our corporate clients to communicate their products and services effectively, and our private clients to record and share their special events, hobbies and locations. We understand that creating a promotional film for your business might seem like a daunting task, but we're here to take away all of those stress and worries and to make it a fun and enjoyable experience. We can also assist you with developing the concept and a clear storyboard for your project. I have over 20 years experience in new product development, project management and account management, and I've worked with some of the UK's biggest retailers like Tesco's, Aldi, Sainsbury's and B&Q. So it's my passion for project management which takes away all the headaches and worries from the clients. It means that I can help them to deliver their brief in a clear and concise way, and most importantly, on time and on budget. We can assist you with developing a time plan for your project, and we can also offer you additional support to make sure that that time plan is achieved. We can help with pre-filming preparations, and we can even come and help you to set up your film sets and locations. We can also help to conduct post-launch reviews, which can help you with the production and planning of your future projects. We also offer a discounted rate for clients booking our VIP package, which assists them with up to 3 projects per year. We're here to support you and your business, so let your imagination fly and get in touch today to begin your media journey with us.